This special exhibition at Stuttgart City Museum is dedicated to exploring the town on a sound level and consequently relies on experiencing the city by one's ears. The creators of Sound of Stuttgart developed an exhibition which is almost exclusively made of sound. Passing through 9 black boxes with almost identical design, visitors can trace the sounds of their city and sharpen their senses for the sound of Stuttgart. This exhibition deliberately does without elaborately crafted visual exhibits. Instead, simple pictograms lead the way to a remarkable auditive experience.